got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? So the machine shop called me this morning and they said the head was ready, so I went ahead and picked it up. Jeremy has to work, I have the day off, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it together for us. It came out great. They pressed the guides in for us. Looks super mint. They tanked the head, hot tanked the head for us. Also, they resurfaced the head, and they did a valve job for us too. So it's gonna be minty. I'll go ahead and throw this together for us. I'll do a little time lapse, show you guys how it all goes back together. So let's get started. Now it's time to press in the valve seals. Just grab an 11 millimeter. It literally fits right over the top. And you'll feel it when you're pressing it down on the actual valve guide, so you know when you're all the way down. Alright, just so you guys know, all the springs are the same. Intake and exhaust, they're all exactly the same. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and put in the springs and retainers. I went to Advance to go pick up a compressor, spring compressor kit, and it is garbage. The thing on it doesn't even lock. Do not recommend it. So what we're going to do is, instead of using a hammer, we're going to use a crescent wrench. We're going to hold it down. Got two people, so we're going to hold it down. Hold it down with the crescent wrench, and then I'm going to throw the keepers in. Alrighty, so that was a fail. It did not work. I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I know one of our neighbors here, he has one, so I'm gonna try to wait till then. If not, I'm gonna just have to go to an O'Reilly's or go somewhere else to get a real compressor, but I have to wait till tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so today we are in luck. My friend Dan over at 1320 DTR, he was nice enough to lend us a spring compressor for an actual B series. These things are dope. It makes it so much easier to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it works and get this head thrown together. Alright, so this tool is awesome, but it's for VTEC motor. And I totally forgot to tell Dan that the motor was non-VTEC, so totally my mistake. So, back to the drawing board. I'll give you $1 if you can do it.
$1, man?
A full $1.
Psych.
No?
It's too hard, dude. Barely got any power on my fingers for that.
Shit. Alright, well, we're gonna have to make something else up. We'll figure it out. We just freaking made one. This shit worked, dude. We literally just used the C-clamp, put washers over the top of it, lowered it, and it clicked right in. I'm gonna put the camera on the stand so you guys can see the next one. All right, so we got them all in. Did take a little while because we had to make our own tools, but we did it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video there. Next video is gonna be us putting that block together. And subscribe. Peace.
Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.